So now let's proceed to the next problem. So the next problem is to identify the most borrowed book for each genre, including borrow count and genre. So first we will gonna select the table genre with book ID. And we will also select the edition of the book and pick okay, book, book, book title as book name. This natin siya as book name. Then we will sum with the quantity kung pila ka mo as total borrow. And from sa gikan mga table, borrow details. ED. Ni-enter na to ang book details, category, and book details B on bd.details site. Diba? Then, book details site. Next, inner join is category on book details ID, book details category ID. Oh no. Next, inner join is the book. BK on b.book.id was to bk.book.id. Ini-group by na natin sila. Genre, ID, edition, pwede naman dili ang edition. Ito lang ibutang. So, book title. Order by genre. Genre, categories, total borrowed. Sundin na yun. Let's see kung naayon ko what's na result. No, borrowed. Oh, yes, forgot. Like this. Here, as you can see na ay mga kwan, every genre, i-sum up niya ang total borrowed. Total borrowed. Kung pila ka book. Total borrowed, ano yun? Okay, book. After that, we're gonna create view. View borrowed. Na siya, most borrowed books by genre. Like na to for create procedure later. So here, makita na ninyo most borrowed books by genre view. Then we will create procedure na dayon. There. Wala na siya. Limiter, Create procedure dayon. Wala na siguro maani. That or no most borrowed books by genre. By genre. By genre. That's in and here and malimta ng end and ang delimiter go. Then execute na to, makita na to. Here, you can see that's it for the problem number 6. Yes, verse 6.